home is a bird like a hoe. Come on. Best thing to home is a bird like a hoe. Yeah. Best thing to home is a bird like a hoe. That hoe has got to know. Best thing to home is a bird like a hoe. Come on. Best thing to home is a bird like a hoe. Yeah. Best thing to home is a bird like a hoe. That hoe has got to know.
I'm in Powderhorn Park in Minneapolis today, where there's a gathering of people protesting what happened on Wednesday to an American citizen who was killed at the hands of the federal government. You can see there's a pretty good sized group showed up today.
Thank you to everybody for being here in the cold, for being here in the streets, for being here as observers, for being here as witnesses to this occupation that is currently happening in Minnesota by this authoritarian regime, arm of the United States government. Don't let them lie to you. This is a full-blown occupation. These are murderers. These are goons. These are fascists. And they have invaded our city. They have invaded this land. They have desecrated this land.
We will not put up with ICE.
Say it once, say it twice.
We will not put up with ICE.
Say it once, say it twice.
We will not put up with ICE.
Say it loud, say it clear.
Immigrants are welcome here.
Immigrants are welcome here.
Immigrants are welcome here.
Say it loud, say it clear.
Immigrants are welcome here.